Okay, here ow!
0 people.
Let's prick myself. So I got some silicone all over my fingers. And I'm going to silicone, myself. And hopefully this plug.
0 people.
To make it water resistant a bit. That was a boo-boo.
Zero people.
I'm gonna go rag. Can't even operate the radio telephone right now.
One face near top edge.
Yeah, that rag smells like bubblegum.
I wouldn't say bubblegum, but it smells like something.
It smells kind of bubblegummy to me.
Zero people.
So I need to look. You got that one done?
Mine's done.
Okay, look and see where that screw's going. Is it going through the middle of the wires? Or?
Yeah, it's just gonna go through the middle of the wire.
Yeah, I know that, but you got to.
One face near top left edge.
Is it the side?
Yeah, it's out of the way.
Okay.
Put it together?
Now squeeze it together. I'll screw it.
Here.
Screw. The silicone squished out.
One face near top left edge.
How siliconed do you want it to be?
Well, I silicone in those little grooves there. Then the silicone should have squished out around this wire.
A little bit.
That's all we need. It's not about the quantity, it's about where you put it. Okay, one done. Okay, you. Oops, I just threw that one in the garbage.
I think I understand what you're going for.
You're siliconing that one
Yep.
in the grooves where it squeezes together. And because it's going to hang down like this. What color is this wire?
Yellow.
Oh, it's yellow?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, shit. Was the other wire black?
No.
Both were yellow?
No, the other one was black. This one's yellow.
I meant to use the black one.
Really?
Yeah?
Should have asked for a black one. You asked for the short one. This is the short one.
Seriously?
Yes.
Oh. This plug is black, right?
Yeah.
Oh, my.
Oh man, that a little bit of black rubberizer couldn't fix.
I'll put tape over it or something.
You know the stuff I used to fix my shoes up in the Yukon?
Yeah.
Perfect for it.
Shoe goo?
Hmm?
Shoe goo was black?
No, not shoe glue. Remember, I had a bunch of holes in my waterproof shoes, so I've got a bunch of rubberizer that no one wanted and sprayed it all over my shoes.
I am.
That was black.
Yeah. Okay, so you got them done now?
This one's done. Here you go. You enjoy the silicone. I have 2 more to do. I assume we want these to be watertight.
Yeah.
Should we do the screw hole too then?
The screw should cover the screw hole.
I know, but if you want that.
Why don't you do the plug too? Just kidding. No, it's gonna hang down like this. So the water should run off it.
Oh, yeah, well.
One face near left edge.
One face near left edge. Wonder if that picks up on the video.
Oh yeah,
It does?
you hear all that in the video.
Starts screaming at you.
Yeah, it's dumb.
I'm surprised you don't do voiceover or something afterwards. But
Because
that
I
would, that
can't.
would require someone to do it for you. But
Exactly. I don't have no.
Near top left edge.
I do it all myself.
hey man, I'm not a very good editor.
The video you did on the Yukon was awesome.
I did the best of what I had for that. It's not like our image quality was too
One
good.
face near top left edge.
To hell.
Okay, that's waterproofing. We'll go on to the other.
One face near bottom left edge. Zoom. 6 minutes. Face near 6. Zoom. Stop recording video. Button.